Located on the outskirts of Saigon, Nam Sua House, also known as the Mushroom Jellyfish House, stands out from its surroundings. While most homes in the area are closely packed with corrugated metal roofs, this residence emerges as a peaceful retreat, designed for a family who wanted their children to reconnect with nature and enjoy a childhood free from screens and technology. The house is thoughtfully divided into 3 key parts, each serving a distinct function. The first zone is the garden, envisioned as a versatile outdoor space for growing plants, sipping coffee, or hosting weekend BBQs with friends and family. It acts as a social hub, bringing people together in a relaxed, natural setting that encourages meaningful interactions. The second zone is the porch, a generous transitional space that connects the garden with the house itself. More than just an entryway, this area is designed for lingering, perfect for reading a book or simply enjoying the freshness of the early morning air. It dissolves the barrier between inside and outside, setting a calm and unhurried rhythm for daily life. Inside, the living room and kitchen are positioned at the front, deliberately separated from the bedrooms by a buffer of green space. This layout introduces a clear sense of privacy while also supporting natural airflow and quiet. The layers of greenery not only act as a visual screen but also enhance ventilation and tranquility, making the bedroom area feel secluded and restful. Material choices in Nam Sua House lean toward the raw and rustic, wood, exposed brick, and textured finishes that evoke simplicity and warmth. These elements bring a grounded, natural atmosphere to the home, reflecting a lifestyle that values authenticity over excess. The home feels more like a living, breathing space than a constructed object. Architecturally, the most distinctive element is its undulating roof, inspired by traditional Vietnamese roofing forms. Flowing from low to high, the roofline creates rhythm and motion while allowing for effective rainwater drainage, an essential feature in Vietnam's tropical climate. This design is not only poetic but practical, adding longevity and resilience to the structure. From construction to craftsmanship, The house is the result of close collaboration with local artisans, woodworkers, metalworkers, lighting experts, and more. Their contributions add depth and soul to the home, embedding it with a sense of community and local identity. Ultimately, Nam Sua House is a celebration of simple living, functional design, and deep connection to nature. It isn't a house designed to impress from afar, but one meant to be lived in, felt, and experienced closely. It offers space to grow, to gather, and to slow down, a rare quality in today's fast-paced world. For anyone dreaming of a home that nurtures family, encourages mindfulness, and responds to its climate and culture, Nam Sua House stands as a quiet yet powerful example of tropical residential design done right.